Shower time. Oh, yeah, shower time is important for birds. It's good to make your bird wet. Oh, yeah, and sometimes they actually go for it themselves. You might turn your back for a moment while you're washing the dishes, and all of a sudden, there's a bird taking a shower. This is the way it is. This is the way it is. This is what they like. This is what they love. Nice shower in the kitchen sink. Here. Oh, yeah. It's good stuff, yeah. It's good. No, that's not filtered water. Oh, puppy. That's not filtered. I drink that. Yeah, she drowned herself. Yeah, oh yeah, look at that bird. They like to get wet. It's good for them. Oh, bird. Oh, bird. Oh, bird. Oh, bird. Oh, yeah. This is good stuff. Oh, yeah. Oh, bird.